Here we go again. So, well then, welcome to another edition of Rupert's weekly property show. This time we are on Valle Golf Resort. I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 3-bath villa, all on one level. Fantastic layout, and you will see the details then as soon as I'm walking down. I'm just starting here up on the terrace because normally these properties don't have a roof terrace, and in this case the owner has built, with all building permissions and everything, a beautiful terrace up here. Normally there is a jacuzzi here in the corner. I have no idea what happened to the jacuzzi because last time we took the pictures here, there was still a jacuzzi. I think it's just in repair. Otherwise, it's a beautiful terrace up here overlooking, well, the countryside to say. In good days, we even might see here some mountains from Cartagena. Actually, it's a little bit of a misty day today. We have 34 degrees Celsius and have a humidity here about 75%. So it's pretty hot to say, yes. And we are standing here in a villa-type Alcor. Those ones who know maybe the resort know that there are 3 types of villas here. 2 of them 3-bedroom, 1 5-bedroom. In this case, it's an Alcor type, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. And we will now see all the mod cons of this beautiful place. So, as we said, we have a beautiful terrace up here. I have no idea how far my signal reaches, so might be a quick interruption until we're coming down now to the ground floor. Because apart from the roof terrace, it's all on one level. So this means that there is no problem with staircase and anything. It's just the roof terrace, which is obviously on top of it, so has some staircases around. Otherwise, we are back now on the main floor. And just let me walk around to give an idea how this looks like when we walk and stroll through the garden and terraces of this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom villa. You wouldn't believe I really would love to jump in here, but I didn't bring my swimming costume today. So, well, that's what it is. 3-bed, 3-bathroom, fully furnished villa. Inventory needs to be discussed. Well, a beautiful pool here. As you can see, a nice chill-out area, partly covered, partly open. So summer, winter, you name it, we have it. Orientation-wise, we are west-facing, so we do get the sun as of midday from somewhere over there until it goes down behind the campo here, to say. Yeah, so decent-sized pool, as we said, and lots of indoor and outdoor space also for families. So it's really built also for families, to say, because it has lots of outside and inside. Slower, please. I will give it a try. Thank you very much. I'll give it a try. You mean slower-wise, camera-wise, or talking-wise? Well, you will tell me. Okay. Thanks for the hint. Always great to have a team behind taking care of what I'm doing here. Okay, so having seen the terrace, just let me walk into the main living room. I'm saying main living room because there are several living areas, and you will see now on our tour through the property how this looks like. So this is now the main living room, to say. Hi Paul, greetings from Valle Golf Resort. Hope you and Renee are well. Here we see staying, relaxing, happy days. And I wish there also would be a listing agent in Quality Homes Costa Calida or Murcia Dreams or whatever. So I'm here in the living room now, and as you can see, you can really swing the elephant in here. We have an open plan kitchen with the dining area over here. Lots of bling, lots of lamps, lots of chandeliers, open fireplace. There we go. Television corner, so it's all set up as you can see, but it's only one of the areas where you can stay in this property, because just behind we have what normally is a half open outside living space. They have transformed it into another living room, have fully glassed in, as we can see, and it's one of the other living rooms, to say, because there is another area where just Steen is occupying. So yes, there are loads of different areas. Makes it also ideal for larger families, because this means the kids can maybe stay in this area, the grown-ups more in the other area. Technically and infrastructure-wise, we are talking about a property which has central air conditioning as well as central heating. So in the winter, it's quite nice to have the central heating. It's not that it's getting that cold over here, but it's more the humidity which makes us suffering. So in this case, the central heating is ideal. And as we can see, this living room is connected again to this kind of outside covered terrace or patio area, which is then connected again to the big terrace here with the pool. So this all makes sense, no? I hope. Team, am I now quick enough or slow enough? Is this okay? Somebody will tell me. Hello, Caroline. How are you? Okay, we are back in the living room, and just let me show the kitchen to you. It's an open plan kitchen. Sorry, I'm too fast now. We have an open plan kitchen here, so it's connected to the living room, to the dining area, and it's equipped with all mod cons we can imagine and what we need in the kitchen. Means dishwasher, washing machine, a large double door fridge freezer, loads of lamps again with different colors. We can also change the colors to red or green or you name it, we have it. It's all here. And another bling lamp over here, beautiful. It matches, I have to say. I mean, taste is something very difficult, but it really matches. So that's really a nice one. And here you see also, I hope, the dimension of this room and as well the high ceiling. I would say it's about nearly 5 meters high. That's impressive and gives a different feel to the room, no? Because high ceiling is always nice to have. And it's beautiful air conditioned in here. I hope you don't tell the owner that we have turned on the air conditioning. So keep it as a secret, please. Okay, having seen the kitchen, just let me give you a walk through the bedrooms. And we start with the third bedroom. Normally I start with the master bed, but that's now too far away. So this is now the third bedroom. It's beautiful in here because, as we said, it's central air conditioning. So from outside 34 degrees to inside 26 makes a difference. As we can see, it's all equipped with all technical thingies possible. And, well, you see the furniture, it's just beautiful. So maybe we have a look here in one of the cupboards. Let's see. No, we take another cupboard. Okay, we take another cupboard. Adjoined to that is the shared bathroom for the 2 bedrooms, where we have, hand wash basin, walk-in shower, loo and bidet. There we go. Each with its own window. Whoops, that's not good for the camera. And again, we have a towel heater here. As we said, it's fully central heated and central air conditioned. Now coming to the second bedroom, as well equipped with 2 single beds, bedside table, as well fully air conditioned. And this was the cupboard I can open, I remember that. And as you can see, this is all fitted, drawers, everything here. So this is quite nice and well prepared. The building quality on El Valle is, how shall I say, was the best on the market which was available when it was built in 2006, 2007. So you will find here double glazed windows which are on a wood basis, so the frames are wood based. We will find here wooden shutters, as I said, central air conditioning, central heating. There are many, many mod cons, and as well it's fully marbled, so it's full marble floor over here. And we are already in the master bedroom. Also quite a large bedroom to say. We have pitch beamed on the ceiling and direct access again to the terrace. Gillian, we will come to this in a second. There we go. So again, exit to the terrace. I didn't show you now the master bath, which I will do now. We see radiators all over. You might say, well, that's stupid, Rupert. You're selling a house in 34 degrees in 1st of September. Yes, that's correct. But there is also another time of the year where you might not have 34 degrees, and then you will be happy to have it. Master bathroom, again, double hand wash basin, bathtub with bubbles. That's a bubble bathtub, as you can see. And all other stuff what's necessary for a bathroom. It's not a lot to say. In case somebody has a proposal how to explain better a bathroom, here I am. Yes, it's fully marbled, sorry. It's marble floor, and also the walls are fully marbled. That's quite nice as well. Having said that, we are walking through. Again, coming back to the living room, and now we come to the details of this property. On our webpage, murciadreams.com, or on our webpage, qualityhomescostacaleta.com, you do find this property under the reference 3679, and the asking price is only 358,950. We are talking about a west-facing Alcor-type villa, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, individual pool, marble floored, additional sun terrace or roof terrace, air conditioning, central heated. Did I miss something? Loads of pling, loads of, sorry? The hallway, yes. Oh, sorry, yes, I forgot. Because this property has been extended, because normally the property ends somewhere here, and you have the entrance door and then you walk out. In this case, they have added this vestibule to it, so we have the entrance door now moved, which means that this would be the driveway then. Happy days. That's now the driveway. Here we go. And that's how it looks like. So normally the entrance is rather inside, so you hardly have a real entrance situation because you're walking into the living room. In this case, the property has been extended, and they have built in this additional vestibule, to say, to avoid that people coming just walk into the living room, no, or just walk into your dining area. I think that's one of the jobs they did. As well, they have changed the kitchen totally, because normally this is a closed kitchen, and this has been now opened up, so it's kind of an open plan kitchen, which really makes sense to do it, and also fulfills, I would say, nowadays design expectations. No? So, as we said, we have another living room here that's actually occupied by Steen. We have another terrace here, so in case it's really windy, this is maybe the breakfast terrace, in case. And when we walk through here, we're coming to the back kitchen, to say. So we have here, for example, washing machine, we have the gas heater here, and some more storage area for the kitchen. So it's quite a nice property, and I have to say I love the resort because it's always peaceful and tranquil. There's not a lot of hustle and bustle, but still it's a very active resort with many people living here. El Valle Resort as well has its own supermarket, clubhouse, Jack Nicklaus golf course, tennis courts, gym. Did I miss something? You have a new pet, no? Yeah. What's his name?
Rupert.
Rupert! Very funny. I see. Okay. Well then, as you have seen, it's quite fun here with Quality Homes and with Murcia Dreams to show another villa. What I did not mention is all the remote controls. I think it was 25 remote controls, no? With Anna wants Hubert. Okay, we have here 25 of different remote controls for all the lights and the chandeliers, because you can change them all in intensity, you can change them all in color. Here's another 3, but there are more around. So I think Steen counted 25 of them, and you can really adjust the lights to your likings. Okay, so everybody wants Hubert now, but Hubert is not included in the sale, I think. Is it? Hubert, are you included in this? No, sorry, Hubert is not included in the sale. I have no idea what happens when they sell the apartment, but I'm sure they will take care of Hubert. Yes, reference-wise, we said it's 3679 on qualityhomescostacaleta.com, or as well on murciadreams.com, where you find all the details of this property with loads of pictures, virtual tour as well, and the asking price is only 358,950. Well then, guys, this was the show of today. Thank you ever so much, Steen, for preparing this property. It was quite a sweaty job today we had to do, because we had to put all the outside furnishings out and all that, so really enjoyed it. And we have a new pet, which is Hubert. I think Hubert should come with us. I think we should deal with the owner that Hubert follows us now, because I think we should use him as a stuffed pet for our company. No?
I think we agree.
Yeah, he agrees. Okay, so guys, in case you want to see Hubert again, just turn on again next week, 5 o'clock, Thursday, same time, same station. And I want to adopt him already. I think this is getting too far now, guys. We try to sell a villa here as an office dog. No, we will not. Well, let's see what we can do. We will deal with the seller, and I will come back on that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and listening again to all the waffle coming from Rupert's weekly property show. I hope you enjoyed the day, and see you next week again. Stay safe, take care, and God bless. Cheers, Rupert.